Hi, I'm Chad Crawford, host of How to Do Florida. Over the past decade, I've taken you on some incredible adventures throughout the Sunshine State. Sadly, within that time, 3 major hurricanes have claimed the lives of hundreds of people and done billions of dollars in damage here in Florida. Throughout history, more than 40% of the landfalling hurricanes have impacted our state. Today, we're taking you on a different kind of Florida adventure. You'll watch as we help a family on Florida's West Coast prepare their home for the worst Mother Nature can serve up. From the windows
The hurricane's in the house.
to the roof,
The more movement that roof has, the higher the opportunity for it to get blown off.
to the very tops of the trees. We'll see our homeowners make life-saving upgrades, and we'll also check in with meteorologist Elizabeth Hart on location from one of our latest catastrophic hurricanes. She'll share fascinating stories from Florida's long hurricane history and go in depth on wind speed and the damage it can inflict on your home.